Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? So today I decided to post a video of Sarana Harley Davidson in Indonesia, Bali, with over 600 dealerships in US alone and about 50 dealerships in Canada. I thought it would be fun and interesting to show you what a dealership looks in Bali. It's the only dealership there. That's the outside shot. It's located in district called Kura, just south of the airport. The motorcycle inventory was pretty light. There's only 6 motorcycles there, focusing mainly on Sportsters, which is understandable because they're competing with millions of scooters. The parts department was also low on inventory, but I'm sure if you asked, they would order whatever you needed for your bike. I really liked the lounge area of this dealership. They had a couple of couches and a few bar stools where you can just hang out and watch TV and chat. In the far back, you'll see a collection of the motor clothes. Unfortunately, I didn't get a video of it, but we did get a couple of t-shirts. Here's how they look like in the back. This is a front view of both of the t-shirts. I think the prices were pretty high. It's about 740 Indonesian rupees, which is about $65 in Canadian or $50 in American. So quite high. We also got this cool pen. I think it looks pretty unique. And that's all. Hopefully you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Shift gears and cheers.